Hello, it's Super Bowl Sunday 2019, and it was such a pretty morning here in eastern North Carolina. I decided to come out and work on my newest addition to my walk-behind tractor collection. Y'all saw this when I first bought it. I first thought it was a David Bradley handyman from the 1930s. Since then, I've had so many people ask questions and share their opinions on it that now we're believing that it's some other type walk-behind tractor, that somebody took a David Bradley Model N motor and put on it. Now, when you say David Bradley Model N, what you're really saying, it's a Briggs & Stratton motor that was made for Sears. And Sears used these motors on their David Bradley tractors because David Bradley made them for Sears to sell. So what you'll see is a manufacturing tag, and it says Sears and Roebuck on it. And then from that, you're able to take the model number for the David Bradley and Sears tag, cross-reference it to know that you've got a Model N motor. But let me turn this around, and hopefully you can see this. I started cleaning on this side, and I tell you, years of dirt and grease and oil mixing together actually creates like a shellac, a real hard layer. You can see, and I have sprayed this with a foam degreaser, and it's breaking it up some, but you still have to come in and a lot of times use chisels or scrapers to be able to get it off. Now once you get it off, you can see there's a lot of color left to the housing. I'll just have to see when it's all cleaned and ready to paint to see if I'm actually going to paint it or let it stand on its own. But I do have, you know, the correct paint for it. It's pretty much a hunter green. And I also have an evergreen, so I'm just gonna, once it's clean, make that decision. But I just wanted you to see where I'm at with it. Here's the wheels. These have the ratchet type hub. There's a little finger on a spring that rides over these. That way you can pull it in one direction and you just hear it, you know, tap 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 over those ridges, those teeth. But when it engages, that little finger will lock in, and that allows you to drive your tractor. I'll probably paint these rims a flat black and then use the green paint to do the spokes. Try to give it a little bit of color. And this is what I'm doing this morning, just to mess around with my hobby a little bit, but I just wanted to give y'all an update. Let's talk Super Bowl. Go Rams. All right, y'all take care.